So in this financial analysis of accounts, looking at expenses for a particular period. So I have this chart that's pretty much dynamic. This is just an analyzed table from the main accounts, and this is showing the top three um, expenses. So I can see the top three expense drivers. So here's a formula. I think so. This is what it does before I go into the formula. So if you select a cost center, it dynamically helps you to be able to see what are the top three cost drivers for each of the cost centers as I select them. All right, so here's the formula. So it's going to be matching this. I created a sequence of large. If I press F9 into this now, press F9. All right, so you can see create a sequence of the top three. The large function actually brings in the top three. Depending on the inputs, that's the k in the large function. So I have the first, the second, and the third. So the sequence function here helps me create those three, one, two, three, if I can see, and then large, they feed into the large function. So that helps me to do that. And the match function will match each of these in the sequence created by the large, and then um, where a number here is not part of the sequence, the match function returns an error. So I use this is number to be able to tell me if the number is a number or an error. Okay, for instance, for the match, I have see I have errors. I have 3, 1, 2, and then I have this error um, values. And of course, when you check that again, you get true, false, false, true, and all of that. So then I multiply the resulting sequence of false and trues with these numbers to now give me the actual numbers or zero. So if it is false, false times a number is zero, true times a number is it will give me the number, just like multiplying 0 and 1. So that helps me to dynamically be able to identify the top three.